What do you got here? I got fire. That ticker is on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Looks like it's a cannabis related company. Symbol info, healthcare, pharmaceuticals. We know those are in stage 2. We can go check them out right now. Let's go check it out. Sector, healthcare. This monthly candle chart uptrend. Close above the 12-month moving average. And the industry was pharmaceuticals, semiconductors, pharmaceuticals. Stage 2 for pullback up here. So that's what it looks like for those two sectors. Still stage 2. That gives us comfort that any stock. This one's. And those sectors will get pulled up with them. Fire. Monthly defined support. And that's our next monthly defined resistance right there. $2.50 level. Might have a bounce off that. Just expect that. What could happen is and then a bust out. Implied measured move, top to bottom, added to breakout line. Let's just do it just to see how my imagination is crazy. And that's the next measured move, about 360. So that's how it could look like. Right now, still in uptrend above the 12-month moving average. Looking okay. Hopping over to the weekly chart to do Stan Weinstein. Stage 2, 3, 4, 1. Look at that volume here. Look at that explosion. Stage 2. And then crashed. Stage 3. And tempting a stage 4 right here. Right here was at a risk of a stage 4. You even have the red declining 30-week MA. Price under 30-week moving average. And underperforming the SPX, guys. So that was not a healthy part right there for that stage. But what happened now is increasing volume. 30-week average going up flat. Just missing that. We're outperforming the SPX. You still have some overhead resistance. So that's not super duper. You see how it got resorbed. So it's not just quite there yet on the weekly, guys. But a lot. So we're going to have to wait and see. Let me get my pen. So what I'd like to see is like on the monthly here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. And then explosion. Don't know if it's going to be that long. And eventually have crescendo volume like that when it explodes out. That coinciding with the monthly candle close. Then you have what I call top to bottom approach, harmony between higher time frames. And the forest to tree stand, index, sector, industry, your stock, where it's at. I always like doing that now for cannabis stocks, comparing them to the index. And to no surprise, this is an underperformer, guys. So I'd really have to wait for this price action to jot out. It's underperforming its peers. And what could happen here if there's sideways move, but maybe it could start outperforming here and busting upwards. So we're a little early for fire. Not because the whole sector's performing well in the stage 2, that any of them. There's some better ones that the leaders you want to be in, and some are going to be lagging. This is just one that's lagging, but you have to keep an eye on it in case it goes above these levels, and then you have those targets higher up, build some momentum. All right, guys, that's it. What? That was short. See ya.